What's going on, vlog? It's Memorial Day, and I'm gonna go get my hair retwisted. Then after that, probably head downtown and see what's going on down there. It's supposed to be like a parade or something going on, so I'm really looking forward to that. You know what I mean? A mad thing. No man. You can't keep the whole of them. Alright, so I'm about to be on my way. I need to go get some gas. It's hot. But yeah, vlog world, let's see what the day have in store for us.
Rastafari guide I and I from the beginning. A lot of youths in life say them can't take the pressure no more. But from your the best way to say, woman, your energy is right, yes.
Matt June, listen up. Here comes Sequoia. Red car. Baby. Baby. What? You gonna open the door?
Where's your Wi-Fi?
Baby, say hello. Hello. Why you stole somebody, baby?
Is that really recording?
Just I do it for the vlog. Matty.
I'm on vlogs. I had enough of vlogs.
Hey, the vlog love you. I look good. I look decent. What you gotta say for the camera? You're that vlog girl. Always I disrespect the program.
No comment.
Alright, vlog girl. Got my hair done. Let's see if we can catch. We can catch a little bit of downtown to see what's going on. Feeling good right now. I'm mad thing. Mad move. Vlog world. Chris is outside. Desire. Doing it for the vlog. Let's see what this day will on. I'm sure Chris got a new car. I open the car now. What's going on, man? Oh, vlog girl under. Mad thing.
What you doing, man? You see that gas tank there? Yeah, I see that gas.
Prepárate! Let me see you jump! Prepárate! Get ready! Get! Niña! Ahí vaya! Todo el mundo! Let me see you jump!
Hey, where we parking at?
By the river walk.
How you get over there?
Hot water. River walk. Mud thing. Just got here. It's raining. Hopefully it don't pour. Let's see what I got, Chris. Got them there already. Nice and ready. Hot and ready. So we just chilling on the steps of the GM building. Oh, they want to charge $85 to get in that techno thing. No. Nah, do it. Nobody cannot cross it. Vlog World, what the hell is this?
There you go, $12. Trying to do a video.
$12? No, man. Nah, pay for this.
There you go, Mike.
Yo, you
I'll tell the
see you that Sunday at TS Vlog World. Vlog World. You know, next car. Christopher Palmisha. Who this? Who this right? That's how I drive the car. Mad thing. Hello. You not gonna say hello to the camera?
Damn.
Oh.
These females in Vegas and Florida cutting up.
Cutting up.
Man, if you're a female in Florida, man, just let her go.
Best Buy. Just got to Best Buy. I see what Shari I could buy. What you about to get? What you gonna get? What you gonna get? You wanna get everybody a gift card except me. You about to give me one too?
Oh, this is kind of sick. Can't create a little.
Alright, Vlog World, just got to the house. Food time. What you say? Jerk chicken and curry goat and everything. And everything. Wait, the can't stick out the tongue on the vlog.
I should have put my
Come on, tell me. Food, mad thing. I know you ain't calling nobody.
That's what you're talking
doing
about.
it for the vlog.
I'm about to fight you. You wanna know why I'm about to fight you? You know why I'm about to fight you? Get me off the camera.
Fight me for what?
Put the camera down and I'll tell you why.
Yeah, what, Mama Michelle?
It's my mom.
Then put them on. Hey, what are you?